What is going on, guys? It's your boy, and today I'm coming at you guys with the Pin Collection Tapu. It's one of the first in the channel, but it's kind of like a blister pack, but instead of 3 packs and 1 card, they give you 3 pins for a pin collection, or yeah. But before we get into the video, if you guys are having a good day, leave a thumbs up. You guys having a bad day, leave a thumbs down, and let me know why in the comment section below. If you guys do want to know where you guys can purchase this item, I'll leave the description down below. Let's start opening. Let me know how you guys' day is going, how everything is going for you guys. There goes the pins. Let's put this inside. 1 pack right there. Later today, I will be doing a giveaway. So, you guys do like TCG online codes? Later today, I will be having a giveaway for that. Pretty cool pins. We'll leave those right there. I'm gonna leave this Evolutions pack. Let's go with Sun and Moon. You guys are here for the TCG codes. Feel free to skip ahead. Do what you guys have to do in order to get these codes first. First come, first serve. And since today there's only 2 packs, there's only going to be 2 codes. Just for this video. The first code of today. 1, 2, 3. We have Hakamo O, Hunter, Trainer, Devoured Field, Catablast. We have Swablu. We have Puncabo, Execute, Weedle. We have a Core Geast. We have a Como O. And we have Energy Type, Grass. Let's put this on the sleeve real quick, guys. Put this up here for now. Let's go on with the last pack of today. It is going to be a short video, but have a good feeling about this one, guys. Oh, last code of today. Last pack. I like this old school vibe to it. But yeah, we have Charmeleon, Energy Type, double colorless energy. We have a Ghastly. I'm loving these cards. We have Sandshoe. We have Weedle. We have Tangela. We have a Ponyta. We have a D-Gong. I like the art in it. We have an Electrode. We have a Trainer Charizard, Spirit Link. Honestly, this Evolutions pack, I might get more of them. I just like the old school feel to them. The old school vibes brings me back. overall, it's pretty good pulls. Not the best, not the worst, but I do like these pins right here. Let's take a closer look. They're all different versions of Tapu. I don't know the exact names of them. Pretty cool nevertheless. Put it down here for now. Well, you guys take care. Have a good one, guys. And peace out.